Experience a first-class neighborhood and live where the cool sea breeze refreshes your soul. Come home to Palmas Verdes. From the coastal province of Pangasinan, blessed with pristine beaches, rich history, the Church of the Miraculous Our Lady of Manawag, the famous Bunuan Bangus, and grand festivals flared with colorful street dances and fab beauty pageants, comes a gated master-planned residential community located at the dazzling Bangus capital of the world, Dagupan City. With 8 choices to match your lifestyle, the developers of Palmas Verdes made sure that the homes are carefully crafted to be interrelated in character, design, and treatment. Such as the Alessandra, which has a floor area of 127 square meters and 3 bedrooms. This will be a perfect cozy nest for a small family. Rizzoli, Valerie, fit for a family who loves to cook with its spacious kitchen. Mileza, Roxanne, and Lisa, all having the senior's bedroom. And Selena, which features the den area or entertainment room. And the largest model, Rosalie, which has 5 bedrooms, plus a den area with kitchenette and dalanay. The houses of Palmas Verdes are built using advanced and time-tested methods to ensure that you get a strong and well-protected shelter. It is built using a monolithic construction method utilizing steel-reinforced solid concrete or buhos. Making all these possible is the developer, Arsinue Development Corporation, headed by Roberto Llamas Arsinue, the sole proprietor of RLL, Arsinue Construction, or RLAC, which has been known in the Philippines as a major construction company, having played major roles in the industry since 1974. In the mid-90s, RLAC played a primary role in the construction of the Sual Power Plant. Arsinue Development Corporation is set to include Palmas Verdes among its long line of successful projects. Designing this outstanding project is the BB Soriano FUAP and Associates, headed by Benjamin Soriano, a board top-notcher who garnered a string of awards from the United Architects of the Philippines, Rotary Clubs, and overseas organizations. His projects have been featured in various architectural publications. Palmas Verdes is flood-free, has a sturdy soil foundation, a quick access to downtown, but free from city chaos. In Palmas Verdes, you will surely enjoy the privileges with a 24-hour security, a commercial area located right outside the gate, adequate water supply, organized garbage collection system, the clubhouse, and a lot more that makes your stay truly priceless. Surprise the one you love in a new home with a renewed romance. Palmas Verdes.